Alright guys, what's going on? Back at it again for another camping adventure. We're going to Allegheny State Park for a cabin camping trip. Primitive cabin, no electricity, so I gotta get outside and chop up some wood, load up the truck, and get on the way. We'll have mild temperatures, I think around the 40s, maybe dips into the high 30s. Looking forward to it. Come along. Peace! Alright boys and girls, we just got to the registration office, rental office. It's November 27th and the park looked pretty dead, so hopefully they'll just give us our keys and we can get on with it. Entire back seat here and the entire bed of the truck is just loaded. It looks like he's got keys in hand. What say you?
You got me a key.
Nice. Circle trail. Alright, that's home. What is this, number 2?
Number 2.
Number deuce. Let's have a look-see. Alright. Look at that. Extra room. Alright, so this is going to be home. No electricity. Well, since there's no light and we're losing light quick, I'm going to get to unpacking my gear and we'll catch up with you when that's all set. Unpacked. The old trusty wool blankets. Come on, Jay. That should work. I mean, that thing will be blazing. Step 2. Cheers. Also, I should mention, since there's no electricity, we don't have a refrigerator, so this is our refrigerator. Alright, got caught up doing camp chores, getting this Rager going. It's getting dark out pretty quick, so might not be much filming tonight. This one piece right here has been defying gravity for about 10-15 minutes. We're looking at 5 o'clock, so we should have just been checking in right now. We've been here for about an hour. Morning, Sleeping Beauty's in there. Just trying to get his beauty rest. I don't think it's going to work, but we'll let him try. So we're just going to go for a little walkabout. Don't think we'll have too many epic adventures on this trip. It's hunting season, so we don't want to hike around. Probably going to head into town, resupply, try to find some more firewood somewhere. I thought we brought a shit ton, and it turns out we need a little bit more. I mean, we are having 2 fires essentially, one in the cabin and one outside, so double the firewood obviously. Last night was great. Cool spot. No complaints, no regrets. Having fun so far. I love this place. Sleeping Beauty's up. It's almost 9 o'clock. Heading into town to resupply. Get more beer. And maybe some breakfast. Probably find some more wood if we can along the way. Got my tools. Just in case we know a little honey hole, if you'll call it that. So I got my saw and a couple axes. Check our wood spot. That's a little bit too big. There's some stuff, but I don't know. Alright. Look at this thing. Just dragged it out from over here. Big mamma jamma. We're gonna split this one up. Charlie's gonna.
One whack.
Swing one.
I missed. Oh my god.
There it is.
Oh my god. Holy fuck. That was amazing. There it is. Whew.
Here it is, all chopped up. I think we'll be all right. All right, switched lens, got the 24 to 105 on. It's gonna take a little stroll, kill some time, and since we're right near this creek over here, try to get some wispy river shots. Wispy shot of this. See what happens. Kind of strange, just hiking around and stumbled across an old abandoned tennis court in the middle of nowhere.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
We've got fire, baby!
There's a carving on this door of 1968.
Just lighting the fire inside and come out to see. Look at that. Pink. Beautiful. James shows up. God, they smell good though.
Don't they?
Oh my god! Alright, it's a different technique than I was going for.
If you have something that you think will work better, I'm in. Let's go!
I think the pizza's done.
We're good. My fucking eyebrows are singed off. Lady Gaga in the house!
It's pronounced Gaga. Alright, it's morning. Says it's just under 30. It's fucking chilly out. Alright, that's it for another episode. Thanks for coming along. Until next time, peace.